got it, my got it. It began in the land of the sandstorm. I fought it, though I wanted everything to do with what you gave to me. Loosening my grip as pulled you into me. When I let you go.
Dead. So this is it. This is the end of Project Shed. I'm currently driving it around the corner now so I can take it to the truck, the lorry, that's taking it to Ireland. She's going overseas. Over a small sea. We're going to Ireland nonetheless. A car that we've had on our channel is going to Ireland. Can't see him in mirrors. Still can't see in mirrors. So yeah, I'll take it around the corner, just wait for this massive lorry that's going to come and take it. I don't want to crash. It's the end of the project. End of Project Shed. Power! Did no power. Well, not like the Vectra anyway. Vectra had serious power. And the Supra. But it's now leaving a hole in my life where I'm going to need another car, another vehicle. What am I going to get? I have no idea. Either way, I'm pulled into the industrial estate where I'm waiting for this lorry to turn up. So I'm just going to sit and wait for the lorry to come and pick me up or pick the car up. But we need to get another car! We need to get another car! It'll be fine. Yeah. I don't want to die. I don't want to die. Here, go then. You're on. Yeah, missed it. Just. Yeah, you're fine, bud. I still don't understand where it came from. But you're back in with the passion. I'm awake with the flame in a hailstorm. I'm taking my picture. That's it. Project Shed is gone. Going off to Ireland to its new home. Now we just need to get the next project. Could it be another Volkswagen? Could it be another Supra? I don't know. But it's definitely not another Supra. So guys, that is the end of... I'm about to fall over. The end of Project Shed. Now, some of you have been asking for me to wrap up how much I've spent on it, so we can work out whether I've made money or lost money. So I made a list of all the parts, or all the parts that I remember buying anyway for the Golf, and I've written them all down. So we'll start off with the price of the car. The price of the car was £280. That's what I managed to negotiate it with when it was up for 300. I got it with 280. It cost me £50 to tow it to the house. So all in all, to me, the car cost me £330 to get it to the house. I will list everything I've done. So in terms of all the parts that we've gone and bought, we bought a front bumper, we bought an interior, we bought an armrest, wing mirrors, bonnet, parcel shelf, headlights with fog lights in, brand new injector loom, a regulator, brand new anniversary kit that we got from Kieran at a discounted price. There was the MOT, there was a brand spanking new battery on it, there was a brand new thermostat on it, brand new lowering springs, there was the brand new LEDs and the brand new track rod end that I bought. Then there was the new suspension we got given from Kieran, so there was the rear dampers, the front dampers, but we didn't buy them, but there was them all fitted as well. The parts total, so the car was $330, the parts total was £717. and that puts us at a total of £1,047. I'm pretty confident that that's everything. I have a few little bits and bobs that I've got from when I was collecting them off of cars that I can sell probably to get a little bit of money back, but that's irrelevant. Pretty sure the total bill for the car was £1,047. I could be off slightly if I forgot something. Maybe I'm just out. It's definitely not any less than that. That would be what it would be. But I haven't missed anything big that would push the price up. So the price I sold it for was £1,050. So we have made a grand total of £3. We made £3 on that car. And if I worked out my maths wrong and I forgot some parts, we made nothing. But I made a series, I made videos for you guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching Project Shed, from literally a project shed, because it was a good car, but it needed, it had the potential to be a good car. As you've seen, it turned out really, 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 really well. That one, in fact, that when I advertised it for sale after the last golf video, within 6 hours, the person who was actually bought it was already messaging me and wanting to leave a deposit, which he didn't do till the next day because I thought he was joking, because he's from Ireland. Not that I believe he was joking because he's from Ireland, but someone from another country, yeah, I want to send you the deposit. It's like, nah, it's 11 o'clock at night, wait till tomorrow. And I was like, I'll see if he messages back. And he did. And then he left me a deposit. And then 2 days later, he sent me the full money. He's not even seen the car. And then, before I know it, there was a haulage lorry coming, hence what you've already seen in the video. And I drove it to him, and it's gone on the lorry, and it's gone to Ireland. The guy messaged me at 7:30 in the morning, the day it arrived, which was the day after, because it was on the boat that night. He loves the car. Watch that beam. I've already cracked my head. I just caught it then. He absolutely loves the car, which is amazing. So we've had a project car that has been sold on. We've essentially broken even, which is good. I'm happy to break even because the bit of money I put into the car, I haven't lost it anyway. So we can roll it into another project. Today is Sunday the 3rd of March when I'm filming this, hopefully for Tuesday. I just want to put this out there that I have just been across to Wales, a 220-mile round trip, and I've just put my deposit down on the next project. Very, very, very excited. I know in the live stream I did on the Friday just before, I did say I was going to look at a Volkswagen. That was the clue. Now I did. The Volkswagen was brought to my house. I had a look at it, and to be honest, it was probably more of a shed than Project Shed was, and I didn't want to do it. It was a Volkswagen Passat. That's what the car was. So you guys probably would have enjoyed it, but probably not as much as I'm hoping you're going to enjoy what I've got coming. Really excited. I've always wanted one of these. I've always wanted one since being a kid. Like the Supra, I always wanted one since being a kid, but recently I've really, really wanted one. So that's what I've got. I've got what car I want. Instead of something that's just around the corner and cheap, like I did with the Golf. Golf was nice, but you know. So we have another car coming to the channel very, very, very soon. So make sure you keep your eyes out for that. It's not here yet. It's hopefully going to be delivered this week coming. Has the guy messaged me yet? No, he hasn't messaged me back yet. I'm waiting for the delivery guy to hopefully give me a day when he can bring it over, because it's in Wales. It doesn't have an MOT, so I can't drive it. But it does drive. Very excited for that project. So thank you very much for watching Project Shed. Make sure you stay tuned for the upcoming new project. And we need to think of a name for that once obviously I reveal what it is. As always guys, thank you very, very, very much for the support. It's greatly appreciated. I'm glad you leave comments and you like and you subscribe and you share the videos. I really appreciate it. I get tagged in stuff on Facebook all the time and on Instagram. It's just cool. I love it, right? You guys are absolutely brilliant. I'm wrapping this video up now. So I'll see you very, very soon. Keep your eyes peeled for the new project. I'll have to give like a teaser away or something like that at some point, but you know, I'll think about it. Anyway, I'm off. Right guys, see you very soon. Bye bye. Dead.